You cannot beat this, man. Two absolutely incredible, beautiful bikes out here. Oh, the mercy. This is like my ultimate dream car here. Is that a paint job or a wrap? We got two eggs. What's up, guys? It's your boy FastLaneD, and today we got the Aprilia RS660 out here. I'm currently in San Diego right now, but I'm about to head up to LA. We got an hour-and-a-half ride up there to Los Angeles, specifically Orange County, so not really LA, but let's get on this bike and go for a little ride, babe. Listen to that cold start. What's up, guys? It's your boy FastLaneD, and today we got a special treat for y'all. We got my boy Kay out here. We had to look up with him out in LA. He's got this beautiful H2 out here. This thing looks even better in person. But more importantly, I am on the RSV4, his 1100 factory, bro. I appreciate you trusting me with one of your babies. That's a lot of trust. Hey, if you're ever on the East Coast, you can ride it, boy. Whichever one of my bikes you want, man. This thing sounds and looks incredible. But we're going to get into some shenanigans today. We're already running behind. Per usual, y'all know me. Y'all know Kay. So we're headed to Cars and Coffee. It's like, what, like 10-minute drive?
Yeah, about 20 minutes.
All right, yeah, about 20 minutes. We'll see what we can get into. But yeah, let me hear this thing. Let me hear this thing. Whoa! My eardrums, she sounds incredible. And then I'm over here on the 1100 factory with the SC Project exhaust, and I'm embarrassing myself because she's in gear. GP shift. Woo! God, that thing just sounds so crisp. But all right, enough talking, let's ride. Oh yeah, there's the power. There's the power. I think this is the first sport bike I've ever been on that I can't flat foot. And I'm not like a short person. I'm right at 6 foot. And this bike and then my 701 Husqvarna Supermoto, probably the only two bikes that I'm like could not completely flat foot, but this is surreal, man, being out here with Kay. Whoa! Yeah, that sounds good. Kay says it sounds better than the R1, I don't know. This man. Oh, I miss having a loud bike. Yeah, that R660 is way too quiet for me. Sheesh. Look how clean that damn thing is. There's not a speck of dust on this bike, huh? Damn, that's crazy. I haven't ridden GP shift in a while, so it'll take me a sec to get used to. My Duck is in a DP shift, but my R1M is not. Let me get off and get it. Hell yeah. They're loving it back there in the Tesi.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You cannot beat this, man. Two absolutely incredible, beautiful bikes out here. Hell yeah. And we're getting some thumbs up from the Porsche owners behind us. I'm about to get hit. Golly. That does sound really good. Really good. I keep going in a second. Gotta remember it's up. Wow, Jesus.
Down low, up top, on my way to the bag at the bus stop. Some blow, some flop. I ain't get my shot yet, but I'm gon' pop. Don't stop, keep going. I got this mantra in my head that make me keep flowing. Pour shots, keep pouring.
This man is crazy. I guess it's different for me because I'm on a new bike in a new city and I'm not used to lane splitting. And we are moving, boy. Thank you, sir. Like, people get out of the way. What? This bike feels really good and it sounds incredible. Like I said, I don't know if it sounds better than the R1. Like, it's definitely a close, I don't know, it's close. I'd have to hear them back to back. Definitely has a very similar kind of like tone. Oh. Pylon, yeah, I mean, it's got power. Obviously, we're in traffic, so I can't get on it right now, but it's got good, really good mid-range. Like, really good mid-range, man. I should probably focus instead of trying to give you a little, my initial thoughts on this RSV4. K is down the cloud. Oh, look at that gold RX-7. That is gorgeous. Only in Cali, man, is this just like normal shenanigans. Like, every weekend, I'm pretty sure they have the Supercar driven. I'm pretty sure I've seen him on YouTube before. Or he's been in like Stradman's videos. Dang, boy. I live in the wrong state, man. What? Just casually passed like 20 Beamers. Oh, no revving, speeding, or burnouts. I know they're super strict here. They got an F45? As you know, I work in fitness. That's pretty cool. Look at that skyline, boy. That old school. Comment down below if y'all like old schools, man. Dang, that goes hard. Exhibitor vehicles only. I guess for exhibitor vehicles. Wow. Wow. Hell yes, dude. What? You got the 899s. Golly, V2 R1. Fireblade, Africa Twin, S1K. We got another 1299 out here. Another Triumph. Wow. You got another V2. Hell yeah, that thing is nice, man. The V2 is like the perfect amount of power. We got an R1M. Oh, I miss mine. I wish I had mine out here, man. Dang. V4S. 720. Little Ferrari action. C63s. C8s. Ferrari. This is an F12. Love that car. 600 LT. We got a Huracan. Look at that. Forged carbon on it. That is gorgeous. Bentley. Ferrari. GT2 RS. SF90? I'm pretty sure Will Motivation just got one of those, man. We got another McLaren. 570s out here. Ferrari gang. Look at this Cobra. Heck yeah. Wow. STO. I think this might be the Supercharged Company one. I forgot the name of it. What is that? I don't even know what that is. SLC. Another Ferrari. Ford GT. Oh, the Mercy. This is like my ultimate dream car here. The Murcielago. Freaking love those things. Another SF90. What the heck is that? Koenigsegg? We got an egg out here. Is that a paint job or a wrap? We got 2 eggs. Alright, let me park this bike so I can get y'all the shots you want, man. Oh, we got a Pista up there. 480 Pista. Oh. Oh. I cannot feel my clutch hand. Look at the new RSV4 1100. Alright, now where the heck did Kay go? I don't know where he's at. Old school R1 out here. Woo! My hand! Damn! That's a heavy clutch, dude. On that bike? Oh god, I don't even want to know. Well, you got on, you were just getting it. I was like, alright, we're doing this, man. I'm not, you saw that lane splitting. I love it though.
I'm trying to be like somewhat responsible.
That was responsible? You cannot beat this. We are out in California. Look at this lineup of bikes right here. Yeah, this thing looks good. I love the orange. KTM orange. Alright guys, so we made it over to Newport Beach. Ducati out here. What is this?
This is Bulgogi.
Bulgo Beach. Now Sim's gonna take me out in his GT3 RS. Oh, G's about to start the Ferrari. Damn.
Oh yeah, you're the other vlogger, huh?
What's your name?
Brandon.
Dylan. Nice to meet you, man.
What's your
FastLaneD.
Yeah, I watch you.
That's what's up, man. Hell yeah, I appreciate that.
You're from like
I'm Kentucky, dude.
you're in the Midwest, right?
Yeah.
Welcome out, man.
I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, I enjoy your videos.
Thank you, I appreciate that, for real. Listen to that cold story. My neighbors wish my bike sounded like that in the morning. Keep dreaming.